Hi, Mark Fraser, Edwards Garage. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2016 Chev Silverado High Country 3500. It comes with the 6.6 liter Duramax engine. And as always, we had automatic headlights. These are halogen projection. We have the front park assist sensors on the bumper. 18-inch wheels with the chrome wheels. We've got heated tow mirrors that extend out and are power folding. Let's walk back here. Of course, it's got the running boards installed. The truck's in really good shape. Previous owner looked after it quite well. It does come with the tonneau cover already installed. And it also comes with a 21,000-pound fifth wheel hitch that's already installed. Backup camera. And again, we have the rear park assist sensors at the rear. These are great little steps for getting in and out of the back. Again, great condition. No major or any scratches or rock chips down the side. It's in excellent condition. So with this 2016 Chev Silverado High Country, it does come with the signature saddle leather interior. That's only exclusive on the High Country for this year. I'm going to jump in and show you some more features of the interior, but before I do, just want to run over some features here on the driver's side. We do have the power or the programmable seats. We do have the power folding mirrors and adjustable mirrors, power windows, of course, and child locks and window locks. Up here we have our integrated trailer brake, four-wheel drive, and then, as I mentioned, auto headlights here as well. The High Country does come with the Bose sound system throughout. Great sounding system. Power adjustable seats on both sides, of course. I'm going to jump in and show you the rest of the features of the interior. So inside this 2016 Chev Silverado High Country 3500 with the Duramax engine, just want to go over some of the features of the interior. So on the steering wheel here, we have controls on the back for our radio, for our favorites and volume. Cruise control is here. We have forward collision alert and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth controls here as well, along with the controls for your driver information screen up front there. Just moving across, we have our controls for heated and ventilated seats. So we have those for both driver and passenger. Up here we have our touchscreen TV, which comes with projection. So you can project your icons of your phone up on the screen. Navigation is integrated. And of course your Bluetooth, text messaging, you can check there as well, along with a lot of other settings that you can customize your vehicle with. Now down below we have the CD player. And just below that, we have dual climate control. Your passenger can lower the temperature or raise it, whatever they desire, or they can just join up with the driver's temperature and keep the truck all at the same temperature. And down below, we have these bank of buttons here. We have pedal adjustment, StabiliTrak traction control, cargo light, park assist sensors, disable, lane departure alert, and then your exhaust brake for towing using the Duramax engine. So down below here, we have lots of charging ports. We have two USB here. We have two 12-volt charging ports here, and then we have the 120-volt plug-in. Now we'll just move back here. It does have the wireless charging pad. Inside the console here, we have lots of space and two more USB ports with an auxiliary plug-in. Just moving up here, we have the controls for your rear sliding window and your controls for your sunroof. And then just to finish up here, we have programmable garage control buttons. And then down here we have your OnStar button, which is part of our safety program. Now just before I jump out of I'm going to go to the back seat and show you the condition, but you can see we have the signature High Country embroidery on the seats. And the seats are in very good shape in this truck. So let's jump in the back seat, and then I'll show you the overall condition back there. So I'm in the back seat of this 2016 Chev Silverado High Country, and the leather is like new condition. It's very well kept. I'm sure that not too many people have ridden back here, but very, very good condition. Down below here, see the previous driver had a nice protective mat on there to protect the carpet, so no major stains or blemishes there. But yeah, overall, the leather and the interior of this vehicle is in excellent shape. So there you have it, 2016 Chev Silverado 3500 with the High Country package. Just a couple things I forgot to point out. It does come with paint protection, so the previous owner has protected it. And down below we have a light bar here as well. So a couple nice little add-ons there. The truck has just over 94,000 kilometers, and we got it priced right at $62,995. If you'd like to come down and check out this vehicle, feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328.